alrighty. Today we will be talking about XRP and how you can buy XRP. For those of you that do not know what XRP is, it's essentially a cryptocurrency similar to Bitcoin, but has so much more use cases than Bitcoin itself. Now, XRP isn't tradable on Coinbase, isn't tradable on Kraken, isn't tradable on many different crypto brokerages. So it's a big hassle to look around different places to find out which brokerage can trade XRP. And even if you find one, like Uphold, they have a certain limit of XRP you can trade, and you have to put in a certain amount for this amount of time and leave it in there for a month, 2 months before you can transfer it out to a hardware wallet. So this way that I'm about to show you here today is going to be a lot simpler. It might cost a little bit more initially, but it will be a lot simpler. So let's hop right into it. Okay, so as I bring up here, this is my Coinbase profile here. So essentially how this works is you have to convert US dollar into USD coin. Okay, so to do that, you go to USD coin, go buy, and then you type in, let's say you want to buy 500 USD coin, right? So you use your cash, preview buy, and there you go. So now if I go to my assets and look at how much USD coin I have, it's $500. So USD coin simply is a stable coin. It doesn't fluctuate in value. So it's like trading a dollar for a dollar. But in this case, you can use USD coin and transfer it to the brokerage that I use to buy XRP, which is BeTrue. Okay, so this is BeTrue. So let's go ahead and log in. So of course you would create an account on BeTrue, type in your username and password. Well, alrighty. So once you log in, go ahead and hit assets. Go ahead and hit deposit, because this is how you deposit your money to here. Okay. Now, as you can see, my last four transactions, I made a couple deposits, totaling about a couple hundred coins. These are USDC coins, US dollar coins, on Coinbase, like the ones we bought. So essentially, to transfer this $500 of USDC to BeTrue, we have to go here, type in USDC, pops up here, then this pops up, okay, deposit address. So you copy this address, go ahead and go to Coinbase. In Coinbase, you go ahead and select send/receive, and then you choose USDC, right, because this is what you want to send over. Type in total USDC you want to send. Boom. As you can see, I can only withdraw a certain amount. But this is what you would do. Type in the address that you copied from BeTrue. You put whatever messages you want and hit continue after that. And that is it. Now, the only thing with this process, it does charge you a network fee. But with this process, you can buy as many XRP as you want, transfer as many USDC as you want without any limitations. You just have to pay a network fee. That's fine, right? With other brokerages, you have to wait a certain amount. You have to do this, do this, do this. It's not worth it. This is, in my opinion, one of the better ways of doing this. Okay. So once you send it, once you select agree, you send it. It'll arrive in about 1 to 2 minutes. And now to go ahead and buy, let's go ahead and hit back to this home page here. Click exchange. So you're essentially exchanging USDC to convert it to XRP. All right. So now you can go and find. So right now this says ETH to BTC. You go ahead and go to USDC here and go to XRP/USDC. And this is how you would essentially buy XRP with your USDC. Okay, then you type in the price, the amount of XRP, let's just say 10 XRP. This will be the price. You hit buy, kaboom, kabam, you are all set and good to go. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up down below, as it does help me tremendously. Like always, let's make some money.